Yellow Pages, YP.com services honest review watch before using. Finding local services might seem simple, but most people get this wrong. They rely solely on search engines or word of mouth and miss hidden gems. Yellow Pages, or YP.com, offers a comprehensive directory of businesses and services across the country. The surprising truth is how much detail it provides for decision making. You won't believe how much time you can save using it efficiently. Here's how it works. You can search by category, location, or business name, and results include contact info, ratings, reviews, and even service hours. For example, if you are looking for a local plumber, YP.com lists multiple options, their specialties, and customer feedback, helping you make an informed choice. YP also offers tools for businesses. Business owners can claim listings, add photos, update services, and respond to reviews. Most companies get this wrong. They underestimate the impact of accurate listings on local visibility. Another benefit is convenience. You can filter results by ratings, distance, or keywords, saving time and effort compared to browsing multiple websites. However, there are considerations. Some reviews might be outdated or biased, so cross-checking is always recommended. Most people assume every listing is current. Verification is key. In conclusion, YP.com is a reliable tool for finding trusted local services quickly. It combines convenience, detailed information, and user reviews to make decisions easier for consumers and visibility stronger for businesses. Subscribe now for more honest reviews of local services and business tools.